guys, welcome again to the 12 tags of Christmas. This has been a really fun series for me and I'm enjoying it a lot. And so for this one, all you're going to need is some scrap paper again. That's one thing that's beautiful about tags. And then some rhinestones or pearls or whatever you might want to use. I'll show you what we're doing. I actually did a card like this in my Christmas card series a couple of years ago, and I really liked it. Now I'm gonna have to make mine 2 inches wide because that's how wide my tag cutter is and that's what I want to use. So I'm just going 2 inches and 2 inches. I'm just gonna make, I don't know, that many, and then I will cut this one at 2 inches. I'll do this a couple of times to make a couple red ones and a couple white ones maybe. And I know I don't want my tags to be this long, so I'm probably going to cut it about in half. I don't even know how long it is. How long is it? It's almost 8. So if I did it a little less than 4, that'll be about half. It does not matter. It doesn't have to be exact anything. And the only reason I need it to be 2 inches is because that's what fits into my punch. So I'm going to punch these out on one end so that they look like a cute little tag. And of course you don't have to have the same punch as me. You could even just make them angled like lots of other tags are. But I'm using tools that I have. And I'm trying to make these quick and easy, yet cute. And they're going to be functional because they're tags. And something that you use up, I think that's nice. And I think that giving tags as a present is kind of a cute idea. I hadn't done it, but then I did it for the first time and I was like, oh, this is kind of neat. I have some stickles on there. That's funny. All right, so if you're using white, you can obviously use whatever color gemstones you want. I have a selection of red and green and the clear ones. And you could have to decide if you want them to be long ways or sideways. So I think I'm going to do 2 of each of these, of this color, so I can show you what I'm doing here. And I'm just going to take a pin, and you want it to be one that, you know, is a permanent pin, and I want it to be kind of a fine point. I think this one will work just fine. I'm going to take a scrap piece of paper and check that out. Yeah, that'll be fine. Okay, so then I'm going to just take and make a little line and then a little bow. And a little line and a little bow. And you want them to be different lengths. And we're going to put gemstones on the bottom of each of these. So if you wanted them to be colored ribbon, by all means, use a colored pin. That bow is kind of weak. Now that I'm doing it, I'm going, I kind of did this one. And I might even put some of these on this one because, I don't know, for some reason those bows look funny to me. They look like bees' wings, so I'm putting little ties on those. And then I'm going to do the same thing for this one. And you know what? If you wanted to use a ruler to make it a little more precise, I guess, you could certainly do that. I think 3 is good. I like odd numbers when I'm doing stuff like this. I don't know how straight those are, but that's okay. Make little bows. Like that. And then all we're going to do is put little rhinestones so it looks like little ornaments on each string, like that. So there's those so far, and then I'll do these, and I'll do one long and one short, and I'll show you what I'll do with these to make them just a little different. And I think I want it this way. I'm just putting the bows on them. And then on these, I'm going to use these clear ones that I think are really cool. I want to see how this looked on the red. And then I'm going to use the pearl ones on another one. Hi, babe. And this one has different sizes, so I might just use different sizes. I could do the little one up there, or I could do another big one. I think I'm going to do another big one. And all of these gemstones I got at Hobby Lobby on clearance or on sale. And then these pearls I got from Stampin' Up. I do have a little tool that makes doing this a lot easier. Well, I say that and now I can't pick one up. There we go. That's tiny. That's funny. Let's stick with the bigger ones, I think. There we go. And I got some green twine for this one. I need 6. It's a big knot. I should be used to this with my yarn, but I never will be. 3, 4, 5, and 6. And you put it in from the front to the back, just like that. You loop it, or you fold it in half, put the folded part into the hole in the front to the back, and then you put your fingers through the loop and pull the strings through. And it gives you a cute little tag, and you can either use it to tie around something, or you can just tape it onto something, or whatever you want to do. I think it's just really cute. And you can see how quick and easy these tags are to make. Now, I'm not saying that I don't use the stick-on tabs that you can buy at Target. I certainly do that. I usually, after Christmas, I usually get some and have them for the next year. I probably have enough for 5 years. Heck, I probably have enough for 10 years, honestly. But, I don't know, they're just so inexpensive. They're so cute. I always get some. And those are nice for lots of gifts. I don't use a homemade tag on every gift, but it's fun to have some available. And it's also fun because you can make them whatever size you want. Like, I know, like, one year we gave Katie a bicycle for her birthday, and I was looking for a really big tag. And one year we gave Alex a longboard for Christmas, and I wanted a bigger tag. So those kinds of things. So there we go. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you give it a try. Merry Christmas.